Yo, it's Chriso from down under Queensland, Australia. A lot of people have been tapping into my short of me sealing my walls. It's an absolute must, people. You've got your sanding dust, you've got everything here. Even when you wipe your hand over the cement sheet like that, you've got dust and you can't vacuum it off or wipe it off successfully. When you seal it, you're laughing. And then your glue absolute sticks to it. Like nothing else. I can't say the word, it might be swearing. So always prime. It's a must before waterproofing, and it's a must for your glue to stick properly. You can use any glue or the best glue you like, but if you haven't primed your walls, nothing sticks to dust. So you're wasting your time. DIYers out there, I'm here to teach you, and this is a very important one. But hey, you know, like, this is it's cheap to buy, easy to do. I want to be going into that window. Hopefully everyone's learning something, but this is a must, everyone. Absolute must. Before waterproofing and before tiling. I'll be waterproofing right around here because it's a shower area. 1200 around there. The vanity's there, so I go above it, so it's easy to just go 1200 right around when you're out of the shower. Okay, everyone, subscribe if you would. Subscribe and you won't miss a thing. If you're wanting to learn something, I'm here to teach you. See ya.